Okay, so this is going to be a quick sound check for the Amp Maker P1800 18 watt Marshall clone. There's a whole bunch of pedals which we're not going to be using, so everything's bypassed. So I'm just going to set this up here so that you can see the controls. So what I've got it set up at the moment, the master is kind of sitting around about 3 o'clock. It's on PP plus mode, bass and treble are pretty much 12 o'clock. And the volume is at just over a quarter. So this is what it sounds like on the bridge pickup of a P90 Crook 335. Honky mid-range, something is kind of cutting through there just to take you through other positions. So this will be in the middle. You can hear the honkiness there on the B string. And then in the neck pickup. So the EQ range really doesn't do that much. I'll turn the treble up full. You'll see instead of being treble, I think this is more of a presence control. So that's kind of shrill, but if you take it all out, it doesn't change the tone that much. And kind of similar with the bass control. What I will say is that this amp has basically zero headroom. So that's off, just on, and we're already getting some breakup. So to get it clean, you kind of have to turn it just on and get the power up. So it doesn't take pedals that well though. So as a clean amp, if I have to put through something that's got quite a lot of top end to it, so this would be a JHS Super Bowl. Or even something like an OCD, which is traditionally very smooth. So yeah, it just kind of adds a whole lot of fizziness over into the top end. But if so all the pedals are off again. I'm going to turn the master down. I'm going to crank the preamp gain to give you some of that good Marshall cranking. Oh, that's not too loud. So bridge pickup.